Difference between double-flanged limit expansion joint and force transfer joint. The double-flange limit expansion joint is composed of body, sealing ring, gland, extension and shortening pipe and other main components. On the basis of the regional performance of the loose sleeve expansion joint, a limiting device is added. Use double nuts to lock at maximum expansion. The pipe can be freely extended in the allowed amount of expansion. Once the maximum expansion is exceeded, the limit is reached to ensure the safe operation of the pipeline. It is especially suitable for the connection of pipelines with vibration or certain incline and bend. The double-flanged force transfer joint is composed of flanged loose sleeve expansion joint, short pipe flange, force transfer screw and other components. Adjust the installation lengths of both ends of the product and the flange during installation. Tighten the gland bolts evenly in turn diagonally. Make it a hole and have a certain amount of displacement. Convenient installation and maintenance. It can reduce the pressure thrust of the connected part and compensate the installation error of the pipeline. The double-flanged loose sleeve force transfer joint cannot absorb axial displacement. Mainly used for pump, valve and other accessories loose sleeve connection.